How to make a cocktail using craft Flair skills. First we will do one long drink, second we will do two the same or different long drinks in the same time, and finally we will do cocktail using shaker method. I will show you the example of how you can do it using the skills you already have. So, for example, we have to prepare screwdriver. We have glass, we have napkin, we have jigger, we have straws, we have piece of orange for a garnish, we have ice, we have vodka. So we start with a napkin. You put it here and here, and then you take your glass. You throw it this way. But important thing that you have to work with both your hands and you have to work with no power. So you will do palm, and while this hand put napkin here, you already watch your glass and take it. It's supposed to look like this. Palm, palm, I already took my glass, and palm. And again, 1, 2, 3. Then you just put some ice in your glass and put it here. Ice cube you put in the ice. And do not put your glass on the napkin. It's better to prepare your cocktail here, and after it's ready, put it on the napkin. Then you take your jigger this way and synchronously with this, you take your bottle and you make a pour. Palm. Then you pour your bottle and you pour your vodka. Take your jigger this way and put it here. While you put your jigger here, this hand already free. So you have time to take your juice. For example, it's our juice. So you finish your pour, you put this bottle here, you pour, and this hand is free. So you finish pour, you put your jigger here, and by this hand, you already take this object. Then you just throw it, or you do stall, and you pour. While you pour, don't spend your time, you just put your straw here and your garnish. Then you pour your juice here, and by this hand you put your cocktail here. So you don't spend your time.